Hello, this is Kevin. Today's Tip Tuesday is a feature that we added to version 13.0.16. Most of y'all know we have the pending sign-off documents. So I have a calibration event here pre-staged, and I have a certificate awaiting sign-off. So if I open up the certificate, you'll note that it has the awaiting approval watermark on there, which is not anything new. We've had that for quite some time. But what we did add is if you sign off on the pending document, this is the one here, and I launch the sign off, okay, and I fail it. So I fail the document sign off, put in my password, click OK, and now it is doing some processing to change the watermark to failed. You get this message here, search 70, this document has failed evaluation, related event is marked as incomplete. So the event is marked as incomplete, and the document has a new watermark on it, indicating that it was rejected. It also incompletes the associated work order. So now if I go back to the document, you'll notice that the document is now archived. And if we open up that document, it now says rejected. It gives you the person that rejected it, the date, and the time. That's the new feature that we've added. You guys find it useful, and have a good day.